Veganism, a rapidly growing lifestyle choice that's taking the world by storm. It's a conscious decision to embrace a plant-based diet, abstaining from all animal products. But veganism is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle that promotes compassion, sustainability, and health. In recent years, we've seen a surge in global adoption. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the rustic kitchens of Tuscany, veganism has made its mark. It's not just about salads and smoothies anymore. The vegan culinary scene is bursting with flavor, with myriad dishes that are as diverse as the cultures they come from. Veganism is a testament to the creativity and variety that can be achieved when we choose to honor the earth, and it's about creating a healthier, kinder world, one meal at a time. Join us as we take a culinary journey around the world, exploring mouth-watering vegan dishes from different countries. Now, if you're as excited about this journey as we are, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned and journey with us through the vibrant world of vegan cuisine. Our first stop takes us to the exotic lands of India with the famous Chana Masala. This tantalizing dish, also known as chickpea curry, is a staple in Indian households and a cornerstone of the Indian vegan diet. Bursting with flavor and rich in nutrients, Chana Masala is a testament to the fact that vegan cuisine need not be bland or boring. Chana Masala is a simple yet satisfying dish built around the humble chickpea. These protein-packed legumes are simmered to perfection in a tangy tomato-based sauce infused with a blend of aromatic spices such as cumin, coriander, turmeric, and garam masala. Often it's garnished with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and served with basmati rice or warm roti and Indian bread. This combination ensures a hearty meal that is both delicious and filling. But the magic of Chana Masala lies not just in its captivating taste but also in its health benefits. Chickpeas are a powerhouse of nutrition, rich in protein and fiber, making this dish an excellent choice for those seeking a balanced diet. Moreover, the spices used are not just for flavor. Turmeric, for instance, contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Coriander, on the other hand, aids digestion and helps lower blood sugar levels. The significance of Chana Masala in the Indian vegan diet cannot be overstated. In a country where a considerable portion of the population follows a vegetarian or vegan diet, this dish provides an excellent source of plant-based protein. It's a meal that is affordable, easy to prepare, and above all, delectable. The beauty of Chana Masala is that it is as diverse as India itself. Each region, each household even, has its own version of the dish. Some like it hot and spicy, while others prefer a milder, more tangy flavor. But whichever way it's prepared, Chana Masala is a culinary delight that perfectly encapsulates the essence of Indian vegan cuisine. Savor the rich spices of India with a plate of Chana Masala. Next, we whisk you away to Italy, the home of the world-renowned pizza. Now, when you think of Italian pizza, you might imagine a doughy base smothered in rich tomato sauce topped off with a generous layer of melted, stringy cheese. But what if we told you that you can enjoy this Italian masterpiece in its vegan form without compromising its authenticity or taste? Welcome to the world of vegan pizza, a dish that has taken the culinary world by storm. The vegan version of this Italian classic incorporates a variety of plant-based ingredients, all while maintaining the essence of a true Italian pizza. The base is still that doughy, crispy crust we all know and love, but it's often made from organic, unbleached wheat flour. The sauce remains a tangy, rich tomato base, seasoned with a blend of Italian herbs. But here's where the magic happens. Instead of traditional cheese, vegan pizza uses a variety of plant-based alternatives. Some opt for a simple sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor, while others go for vegan mozzarella that melts just like the real thing. Toppings can range from fresh vegetables like bell peppers and mushrooms to innovative options like vegan sausage or even jackfruit. Despite being a relatively new concept, vegan pizza has gained global popularity. It's not just vegans who are enjoying these pizzas, but also those who are lactose intolerant, allergic to dairy, or simply looking to reduce their consumption of animal products. From high-end restaurants in New York City to roadside stalls in Bali, vegan pizza is making its mark. So, how does it taste? Well, imagine the crispiness of the crust, the tanginess of the sauce, the creaminess of the cheese, and the freshness of the toppings, all coming together to create an explosion of flavors in your mouth. It's a taste that's truly Italian and yet so uniquely vegan. So next time you're craving a slice of pizza, why not give the vegan version a try? You might just find that it's every bit as delectable, satisfying, and authentic as its traditional counterpart. Enjoy a slice of Italy with a delicious vegan pizza. Moving on, we land in Mexico, where the vegan tacos are a must-try. A vibrant dance of flavors and textures, the vegan tacos are a testament to the culinary prowess of Mexican cuisine. They are a delightful spin on the traditional meat-filled tacos, replacing animal proteins with plant-based alternatives. A typical vegan taco is a colorful ensemble of ingredients, each lending its unique flavor to the palate. The heart of these tacos lies in their filling. In place of meat, you'll find a variety of vegetables, legumes, and grains. Black beans, sautéed bell peppers, and grilled corn are popular choices, while some even go for a mix of quinoa or lentils. The protein-rich beans and fiber-packed grains make these tacos a nutritional powerhouse. Then comes the salsa, the soul of any Mexican dish. A fresh blend of tomatoes, cilantro, lime, and jalapenos, it adds a tangy kick to the tacos. Some prefer the smoky heat of chipotle peppers, while others opt for the fruity heat of habanero. The salsa not only brings a refreshing contrast to the hearty filling, but also packs a good punch of vitamins and antioxidants. To top it all, there's the creamy guacamole, made from ripe avocados and a sprinkle of vegan cheese. The avocados bring in heart-healthy fats, while the vegan cheese adds a savory touch that ties all the flavors together. But it's not just about the ingredients, it's also about the artistry of assembling the taco. The warm, soft tortilla cradles all these elements, creating a harmonious balance of flavors and textures. Each bite is a burst of freshness, heat, creaminess, and crunch, leaving you craving for more. The vegan tacos are more than just a dish. They are a celebration of Mexico's rich culinary heritage, reimagined for the vegan palate. They are a testament to the fact that plant-based meals can be just as flavorful, if not more, than their meat counterparts. So, next time you're in the mood for some Mexican fare, remember the vegan tacos. They are not just a meal, they are an experience. An experience that brings together the warmth of the Mexican sun, the vibrancy of its culture, and the richness of its cuisine. Experience the fiery flavors of Mexico with a bite of vegan tacos. Finally, we journey to Thailand, where the vegan pad thai awaits. This dish is an aromatic fusion of flavors, a testament to Thailand's culinary prowess. A signature dish in Thai cuisine, pad thai is a stir-fried rice noodle dish typically served as a street food and at casual local eateries in Thailand. In the vegan version of this beloved dish, the traditional ingredients are replaced with plant-based alternatives, without compromising on the taste or the essence of the original recipe. The noodles are tossed in a fiery wok along with a colorful medley of vegetables like bean sprouts, bell peppers, carrots, and tofu as a protein substitute. The dish gets its distinctive taste from the quintessential pad thai sauce, a tangy and sweet concoction made from tamarind paste, soy sauce, and a dash of palm sugar. Pad thai is not just a dish, it's a reflection of Thailand's vibrant culture and lifestyle. It's the bustling street markets, the warm smiles of the street vendors, and the symphony of sizzles and aroma that fill the air. It's a culinary tradition that's been passed down through generations and continues to be a staple in Thai households. But the appeal of vegan pad thai goes beyond its cultural significance. It's a healthy, balanced meal that's packed with nutrients. The vegetables provide a good source of vitamins and fiber, while the tofu offers a healthy dose of protein. It's also low in saturated fat, making it a heart-friendly choice. The tamarind in the pad thai sauce is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. And let's not forget, it's absolutely delicious. So next time you're in the mood for a quick, healthy meal that's bursting with flavor, think vegan pad thai. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just someone looking for a healthier alternative, this dish has something to offer. Dive into the aromatic world of Thai cuisine with a bowl of vegan pad thai. And that concludes our global vegan culinary journey. We've savored the spicy and comforting Chana masala from the rich culinary traditions of India, indulged in the authentic flavors of Italy with a delightful vegan pizza, relished the vibrant taste of Mexico with its vegan tacos, and experienced the exotic allure of Thailand through a tantalizing pad thai. These dishes, each from a different corner of the globe, underscore the diversity of vegan cuisine. They're a testament to the fact that plant-based food can be just as rich, varied, and flavorful as any other. From the aromatic spices of India, the classic simplicity of Italy, the bold flavors of Mexico, to the unique blend of tastes in Thailand, vegan cuisine truly is a global affair. It's a world of taste waiting to be discovered, a feast for the senses that goes beyond borders and cultures. Remember, being vegan doesn't mean compromising taste or variety. So go ahead, explore these dishes and embark on your own vegan culinary adventure.